वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Dear students, I hope you all are fine. So beta, today we will continue the same chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes, and now we are going to do the exercise 13.2. I am going to explain you only the concept. You will complete the exercise by yourself, okay? So in this exercise beta, basically we will talk about the representation of the solid shapes. We can represent the solid shapes in three ways. One, with the help of oblique sketch. Second, with the isometric sketch. And the third is 2D representation. Okay, so let's talk about all of these three one by one. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the oblique sketch. Clear? So let's do it. Hanji beta. So the representation of the cube 2D shapes means cube, cuboid, these type of shapes when we will represent on the square grid paper. You can see here I have a square grid paper. Here on this paper I have drawn the two 3D shapes. One is cube and the second is cuboid. Okay, so according to the dimensions I have taken the squares. So this will be the length, this will be the breadth, and this will be the height of the cube. Okay, so one square box will be used as one unit. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the cuboid also. You can see here the cuboid which I have been made, okay, with the help of these square boxes. So here I have taken the length of 5 units, 1 2 3 4 and 5. I have taken the breadth of 2 units, 1 and 2, as well as I have taken the height of this cuboid is 3 units, 1 2 and 3. So first of all I have made the front face, then I have made the back face. Okay, then I have joined these faces with the help of straight lines, and that becomes the breadth of this cuboid. Okay, now let's talk about this is known as the oblique sketch. I have, as I told you in the starting. Now we will talk about the isometric sketch. Okay, how we can represent the cube or cuboid with the help of isometric sketch. Clear? So let's start it. हाँ जी बेटा, द आइसोमेट्रिक sketch. The isometric sketch beta, when we represent the 3D shapes on this type of paper on which there were some dots, these type of paper, when we represent the 3D shapes, that will be known as isometric sketch. Clear? So here you can see, here I have made one cube as well as one cuboid. Okay, here also beta, from this point to this, means from here to here I have taken the distance of 1 centimeter. So it is 1 unit. Okay, 1 centimeter you can say, or you can take it as 1 unit also. So you can see here I have also made a cuboid, and here I have taken the length, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 units. Okay, 6 centimeter. Clear? And height I have taken of 1, and here you can see now 1 unit from here to here also beta, there is a difference of 1 centimeter. So from till here it is 1 centimeter, then it is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. I have taken the height of it. Okay, and the breadth I have taken, that is 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Clear? So this is the isometric sketch of the cuboid. Clear? See, now we will talk about, okay, so beta, when you need to make the isometric sketch, you can mark the dots of 1 centimeter with each distance. You can mark the dots on your notebooks, and then you can prepare this isometric sketch. Okay, so now I'm going, okay, so for this also beta, this is the one way, and the second way is that you can take a plain sheet, on that you can make the dots like I have made, and then cut that sketch and paste on your notebook. Okay, so I suggest you to take a plain sheet, make the isometric sketch on that, then cut from there and paste on your notebook. Okay, Now we are going to talk about the 2D representation. Okay, the 2D representation means the simple representation without using the square grid paper or without using the dotted paper. Okay, you can make the shape where as we are making a simple one shape, that is known as the 2D representation. Okay, so I have made here the cube with the help of 2D representation. Okay ji. So these are the three basic things, three basic sketches which we need to use to complete the exercise 13.2. So beta, I hope you have understood and you are able to do your this exercise by yourself. Okay, thank you beta ji, have a nice day. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।